Hi, everyone. My name is Katie Lovett, and I live in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I have an 11-year-old stepson, and I just got married about 1 year ago. I am currently working as a part-time medical scribe at an ear, nose, and throat office, and I am taking prerequisite courses for PA school part-time. I have also worked at a pediatrics clinic as a scribe, and I really enjoyed that position, and I think that I want to go into pediatrics. I used to be an elementary school teacher for about 4 years after I graduated from college, so I love working with kids and have a lot of experience with that. My reasons for taking the course are obviously that I need it for applying to PA school as a prerequisite, but I'm also have always been very interested in biochemistry and had a good friend in college whose parents were both biochemistry professors at the University of Washington. So I always was very interested whenever I talked to them and learned a bit about it from them. And I think that's everything I need to talk about. Okay, thanks.